Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have a business goal. Start by turning it into one measurable ad objective. You need a tight target persona and the platform's aspect ratio so your visuals fit. Once done, craft a 15-20 second hook that states the problem and your unique solution. This is why viewers stop scrolling. Make sure to choose a single CTA, subscribe, buy, or learn more, so every shot and line pushes that action immediately. You now build the ad. Storyboard a 3-act flow, hook, value, CTA, so every second serves conversion. When filming, use close-ups for emotion, mid-shots for context, and a wide for product demonstration. This varied visual rhythm keeps attention. Once done, capture clean audio and at least 30 seconds of B-roll for cutaway flexibility, because good editing fixes many timing issues. Make sure to lock. You finish by editing for clarity and pacing. Lead with the hook inside 3 seconds, then show the benefit and finish with a clear CTA and branded end frame. Once done, export variants for each platform, 16, 9, 1, vertical and test compressed files and thumbnails, because presentation affects clicks. Make sure to monitor CTR, view rate, and CPA. If performance lags, swap the thumbnail or CTA and run a fast /B test. Troubleshooting tip: if low retention, tighten the first 5 seconds and resurface the problem solution immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.